close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them. To see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Fucking hoes and popping pillies, man, I feel just like a rock star. All my brothers got that gas and they always be smoking like a rock star. Fucking with me, call up on the Uzi and show up, man, them the shot toss. When my homies pull up on your block, they make that thing go grata-ta-ta. Cocaine on the table, liquor porn, don't give a damn. Don't your girlfriend is a groupie, she just tryna get in. Saying I'm with the band. Now she acting out of pocket, tryna grab up on my pants. On their bitches in my trailer, said they ain't got a man, and they all brought a friend. I've been fucking hoes and popping pillies, man, I feel just like a rock star. Feel just like a rock star. I've been popping.
I've been in the hills, fucking superstars, feeling like a pop star. Drinking Henny, bad bitches jumping in the pool and I ain't got on no bra. Hit her front or back, pulling on the tracks and now she screaming out no more. They like Savage, why you got a 12-car garage and you only got 6 cars?
Cocaine on the table, liquor pouring, don't give a damn. Don't your girlfriend is a groupie, she just tryna get in. Saying I'm with the band. Now she acting out of pocket, tryna grab up on my pants. On their bitches in my trailer, said they ain't got a man. And they all brought a friend. I feel just like a rock star. Man, I feel just like a rock star. I feel just like a rock star. I've been Bob.
Katie, just 19, she was headed off to college to follow a dream. Didn't really have friends, never played in a team. So focused on school, she was hardly a teen. Damn, living in her room, she barely left. Hated being lonely, so she slept. Only got up to study for tests, and honestly, she don't really care about the rest. Then she met a dude, started going out, cause that's all he wanted to do. He didn't care about her, just some bottles of booze. He was focused on his last, never told her the truth. Constantly used, grades started fading away. She was given everything what he would take and take. Her first real love, but for him it was fake. And she finally caught him over at his ex-girl's place. No, she don't know what to do, cause loving this guy, that was all that she knew. It's hard to find the next one when you're broken in two. Broken and bruised, feeling like you're destined to lose. But
she never felt this way, she never felt this way.
Grab another bottle, put it up to her face. Rather cover all the pain before she ever would say. Kid, always wanted something more but could never begin, never fit in. He was kinda lacking with friends. His favorite part about the day is when it would end. Damn, so alone. Spending nights in his room, nobody hitting his phone. Always wondered to himself if he did something wrong. The truth is that he was barely getting along. Still,
he never tell no one, he never tell no one.
Built to take his own life before it ever begun. Stuck on the run, tired of always being on the run. See,
he was so sick of being laughed at. Started hitting up the party saying past that. Get a little bit high just to feel okay. With all the pain, he could barely even mask that.
No, not the whiskey or drugs. Only losing yourself, you ain't fixing it up. Pill in the cup, cheers man, drinking it up. Getting so high, he don't even know what's up. But
he never felt this way, he never felt this way.
Really can't tell by the look of his face, but inside, see, Dylan, he was begging to Say